Hello, my name is alibia.devente with Market Education for Kimball Office, and in this session we're going to talk about how to carry over an elevation ID and its associated parts over into Worksheet. First, with your elevations assigned in CAP, you would want to select your CAP Designer pull down and go to what's known as Preferences. When you're under Preferences, on the left-hand side of the CAP Designer screen, you'll select Automation. With Automation selected at the very top, make sure you have a check mark under Add Elevation Name to Alias 1 in Worksheet Takeoffs. Now this is important only because you're going to have multiple items that might be similar sizes, and it's great to see this broken out individually simply so you can identify which parts go to which elevation. Do keep in mind, if you have done any tagging in the alias 1 column, this will be overridden. So I'm now going to say OK. And when I run my bill of materials, I'm going to circle again just the 2D parts, not the 3D. And in this example, I haven't included connectors because really I want to identify specifically to the elevations themselves. And just running a generic bill of materials so you can see the difference. I'm now going to select Finish, and Worksheet now becomes available. Now with Worksheet open, I'm going to turn on my alias 1 column, select OK, and notice that the idea appears in each one of these columns. So each of these parts, while they're sold as individual elements, are pretty much like an Excel spreadsheet in terms of checking off which items are associated with this elevation. Now, in terms of your larger worksheet, you could have a worksheet with a couple of hundred line items in it, depending on the complexity of your drawing, and hopefully this will allow you the ability to see where each of the elevations come in, what your total quantity is of items, so it's much easier to count. If you have any questions about this presentation, please feel free to reach out to alibia.devente@gmail.com. That's A-L-I-B as in boy I-A .D-E-V-E-N-T-E @gmail.com. Thanks and have a great day.